My first month selling digital products, I invested $400 into a mentorship to teach me how. And in that first month, I earned $700 back into my pocket. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that completely free because it's something that I wish I had back then. And you're going to be able to learn how to promote and sell your own digital product as a complete beginner. Now, I'm going to be doing this using a system that I call the MAP system. That's all you need to remember, M-A-P. And we're going to be going down this system so you can know how to promote your own digital product as a beginner. Now, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Jay Askew, your six-figure digital product coach. Now, let's start with the letter M, which is money. You need to choose how you want to get paid. I know this sounds backwards from what everybody else has been talking about online, but I promise you, figuring out how you want to get paid is more important than what you're going to get paid for. Because you can have something that people pay one time for or pay every month for. And the key difference between one-time and monthly recurring revenue is this. One-time payments are nice, and you'll make a lot of money in a short amount of time. But the problem with this is a lot of people don't know how to repeat that with the same person. As opposed to recurring, well, you're giving away your value in your digital product, but they're paying the same amount or more every single month. But you let me know in the comments section down below, which method do you want to get paid from? One time or recurring? Now that brings us to A in the MAP system, which is audience. You need to choose a platform that fits your lifestyle. Nobody talks about this. Everybody says, choose this platform, it's the greatest. Choose this platform, it's easy to make content. But the truth is, it's going to be easier for you if it just fits your lifestyle. Every platform isn't made equal. Instagram and TikTok, you have to upload more. TikTok, you got to have at least 1,000 followers in order for you to upload a link in your bio. Instagram, you have to upload stories, upload highlights, upload 2 to 3 times per day almost just for you to stay relevant. YouTube, oh, that's a whole different ball game. You can upload a long form piece of content without fancy edits, leave it there, and just upload one time a week and your content will be working for you. Some people just like using Instagram because they've already started on it. Me, I've had an audience of over 30,000 people on Instagram, made over 6 figures on Instagram, and I'm still on YouTube primarily because, well, it doesn't require as much work. And right now for my lifestyle that I have, I prefer not having to upload 2 to 3 times per day. And my content is still working for me, helping me sell my own digital product. And if you haven't noticed by now, I'm obsessed with digital products. So I've created a free live class where you can show up and learn how to get freedom by making your first passive income sale with digital products, even if you've never made money online before and without a big audience. And if you're interested in joining that live class, you can find the link in the description or pinned in the comment section down below. Now, the P in the MAP system stands for path. Now, the path we're going to follow is content that's already working for other people who are similar to us. It's very simple. You don't copy anybody's content, but you use the frameworks. For example, if I was passionate about working out, then I would look up other people who have digital products that they sell online about fitness and they create content about it. Truth is, you're just putting your own spin on it. This will help you not overthink and procrastinate on what piece of content to make. As a matter of fact, proof is always on the platform that you want to upload on. If you want to upload on Instagram, then you look on Instagram, what's working on Instagram. If you want to upload on YouTube, then you look on YouTube, what's working on YouTube. Because the truth is, most people try to convince the algorithm to favor their content to get more views. But honestly, the algorithm is just made out of real people in the real world that choose videos because someone made the right piece of content for that person. So use what's already working, put your own spin on it, and then you'll be able to convert people from a viewer into a customer. But let me know in the comment section down below, what do you feel like has been holding you back from promoting your own digital product online? I want to know so I can help you out personally in the comment section and give you my best advice. Anyways, that's all I have for you in this video. I will see you in the next one.